Hey guys, it's Kay, I hope you're all well. Now today I'm looking at some premium sports headphones, and they are the Aeropex from Aftershokz. Now you may have heard of Aftershokz, they're pretty well known for their products, and they specialise in wireless bone conduction headphones. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, reviews and unboxings, I do everything including Fire Stick, Raspberry Pi and Android TV tips and tricks, so subscribe and hit the notification button. So of course, being a premium brand, they come in a well packaged box. So Aftershokz use bone conduction technology to send sound through vibrations up the cheekbones and to the ears, which is ideal when you're doing some sports like running and gym. Now the great packaging continues inside with some great imagery, be open. And I like the way this box just opens up to reveal the headphones. Now straight away these feel so light, coming in at 26 grams, and they're very flexible, so they're going to accommodate most head sizes. You've got the Aftershokz branding on the sides here, and on the side here we've got the magnetic mag-like charging port here, and below that we've got the power on and volume up and down rocker. Now this headband looks so fragile, but in reality it feels strong and flexible. You won't have any issues with it breaking in normal use. Taking a closer look, we can see we've got a microphone here, and on the other side we've got a multifunction button. Now this button combined with the volume up and down rocker gives you a multitude of options to control your media playback. And of course you can even answer phone calls. And the great thing is you're not having to put anything in your ear, so nothing's getting gummed or waxed up. And of course they're IP67 waterproof, and these give you 8 hours of playback or voice calling with Bluetooth 5 connectivity. Now the headphones also come with this rubber pouch for storage. And it comes with this neat little magnetic latch. Very satisfying. And inside we've got the manual, we get 2 magnetic cables for charging, and we get some earplugs. Now these are supposed to block out the outside sound if you want an immersive experience. And last of all we get the magnetic charger cable. It's pretty short, but it's long enough if you know what I mean. And of course you do get 2 of them, so you can leave one at home and then leave one in the office. And charging is very straightforward, just plug one into a USB port. And as soon as you get the other end of the cable close to the charge point on the headphones, it'll just click in, just like Apple MagSafe. It's so satisfying. Okay guys, so this is everything that comes in the box. Okay guys, as you can see I've got the Aftershokz Aeropex headphones on, and they are pretty snazzy. The controls are nice and easy to get to. You got your volume up, volume down, power on, power off this side, and you've got your pause and fast forward button here. Pretty cool. Pairing these with my iPhone was very easy and straightforward, quick, and I found the Bluetooth range was absolutely fantastic. I went through to the other side of the house and I was able to pick up no problem at all. And because they're waterproof, I was able to put them on and go for a jog in the rain with these on. So overall guys, I definitely recommend these. The sound from these is amazing for what they're intended for, and you can pick them up from Amazon for just over $100. The only issue I have with these is it's only one size fits all, but generally because they're so flexible, that shouldn't be an issue. So the Aftershokz Aeropex definitely get a thumbs up from me. Anyway guys, if you found this video helpful, please do give us a like and consider subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next one.